Awolo.
Mama.
Awolo. I want you to stop thinking. I will live. I will live for your sake.
Mama, I know you will leave. But this suffering is too much. This is too much. Look at us, Mama. Mama, do. Who is coming?
In a kingdom where nobody rules, tell me who will answer me. Oh, we don't know what to do, and the gods will never answer.
Oga Frank the don't know.
How are you, beautiful lady?
I'm fine. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine, my son. Welcome. You came to see us.
Of course.
Hey,
welcome.
Am I dreaming?
No, you're not. It is I, Frank the Drone, here with you, okay? I heard you weren't feeling well, so I said I should come and see you. Like I have been, helping all the widows around today.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. It's all right.
Welcome.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, be sure everything will be fine. All right? I'm now here. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
When Frank is around, everything is fine. All right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes. Please bring what we have for them.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Take your mother. No. Come on.
But you can sit down. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, bring down everything, please.
Let me help you.
No. It's okay. It's okay. That's what they are paid for. Yes.
Thank you.
Just.
Thank you. God bless you.
I take everything inside. Take it inside.
Thank you. What are you saying?
It's okay. It's alright. Yes.
Thank you, Oga.
It's okay.
Bless you.
It's okay. It's alright. It's
okay. I do not care what you and your kingsmen must have done or must have run at all. Listen, I'm the one in the position to say if I want to sell my throne or not. And you know what? I am not going to sell it.
Then do the right thing. Do what you should do. Give the town a king. That's what they want. My people, on behalf of our kindred, I still stand on what I said earlier. We are out of this problem. You can face him. I'm out of here.
Ubati, go! Go! Shame on you! Go, Naba!
Go, Naba!
Nenu! Okenkpi! Naba! Anu here.
Onyemechi. If you know where you are hiding that throne, and you go staff of Odo, quietly go there, bring it here, let us confirm it. Yes. But otherwise, what I will do to you personally, me or no, I will cut off your leg.
Otherwise, Odawi.
Yes.
There is nothing any of you can do about it. If you think you can do anything about it, then do it. Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Onyema.
We are listing good. We are giving you 1 month to make yourself available as the king of this town. Or you face our music.
Onyamuma. Music. Onyamuma, Obolonkwegede Mabwe, Atilogo, Sulugede. I will dance it. Play it. I will dance. Yes.
Simo. Yeah, Onyama.
Say Onyama Obogu.
What did you just say?
Then go don't watch it, Chanka.
Guys, see, we've respected you enough.
Who is this?
We'll go change that for you. I don't tell you. Now listen, let me tell you, Listen and listen carefully. I will go now. I'm here now. I'm personally telling you that when their music start playing, you will not be able to dance to it. At all. I'm telling you now. Elders, my elders, please, if you know what you're doing with this young man here, you people should better be fast, though. Because after 1 month, Onyema, after 1 month, you will not like what you will see. Hey, I'm telling you now. And look here, let me tell you, that throne you took, you better bring it out. Because we, the youth, will say no to that. Yes, yes. We say no to that. We say no to because that. If you don't bring it out, there will be war.
I am ready for the war. Yes. I am ready for the war.
Yes.
Ndala. There's nothing you can do. I am ready for the war. Yes. You understand? Ndala. Listen. I've heard what you people said. In the next 1 month, I am going to make myself the king of this town. And when you're gonna ban one after the other.
Yes. Where this guy yo? Where this guy
Let's be calm, brothers. Am I still the Onowu of this kingdom?
Yes, you are. Yes.
Am I still the Onowu of this kingdom?
Yes.
Rapu no nyama. Okwifulu egwu. Oya agba egwu. Omara egwu na agba. Aga metie ya soro gata. Once you know that agba egwu. Oya agba soro gata.
No, this is not Onowu of it. You should tell him. You should tell him.
Oya agba soro gata. If you understand what I mean, you shouldn't be talking.
My son. It's okay. Thank you.
It's all right.
May God bless you.
Amen.
Wherever this is coming from, may God replenish you.
Amen.
Hi.
Amen. Frank, thank you very much. God will bless you. We are very, very grateful. And I also want to thank you for everything you're doing for this community. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay, don't go there. I mean, why would the community have somebody like me and I will not take care of the community? Huh? So everything is fine. I'm very sorry for bringing this minute provisions for you. We have been doing a lot of sharing today, and the beneficiaries have been the widows. Okay, but still, my heart breaks seeing you here. Really, seeing you here, it's unfortunate. I mean, why wouldn't you be sick living in this kind of place? Why wouldn't you be sick? However, Mama, you will go to the hospital with me, and trust me when I say all the bills will be taken care of. Yes, I'll send the hospital bill. Okay? You need proper treatment. Yes. And again, I'll say this. When you get well, I will support you with a little sum of 1.5 million naira for your business.
Jesus! You know,
It's okay, so don't lose your breath. It's okay. Hold your mother, please. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Well, how you living here? It breaks my heart. Okay. After that, I'll further make sure that I break down this building and build you a house.
Sorry, sir.
So you guys express yourself. No. Yes, take these things, let's take her to the hospital. Yes.
Auntie,
help.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I will go to the hospital.
I am here. You'll be well. You'll be well. Things we do for all the widows, Mama. It's okay. Mama, it's okay. I'm here for you. Okay?
I'll be waiting. They will never succeed. Never. Mama Menata, their plans have failed. It will not happen. Their plans have failed. Their plans have failed. I am waiting. I'd rather die than for you not to become king. Hey. They failed.
Their plans are failed.
Hey, failed.
Yeah.
It will not happen. I'm watching.
No. How did it go?
Mama, I am ready for the war. I will not bring out the throne where I kept it. It's safe already.
Yes.
And I'm going to hide it more tomorrow. Yes.
Better.
I'll fight this fight till I win.
Yes.
Mama, I'm not scared of anybody.
Don't be scared.
You must hide it until the day you be crowned. You must keep hiding it. They will never get it.
Never.
Never.
And Meche, what's it? You give me a man. You give me a man. Dala na kuale. Ne sumi mi cowbell. I want more time. Dala migrimo. By yellow shirt and sauce. Ne put in a village. Ne mehendala.
Why is your sister like this?
So she didn't see me.
Ichiago Biko, don't mind her. Don't just mind her. Let's be talking.
Yes, Wonyala show with a near for.
Kai Papa Fire, Babiko.
Oh no. You elders should leave us alone to deal with Onyema.
Yes.
Who is Onyema to hijack the throne of this land just like that? I don't understand.
I wonder.
Who is he?
I wonder. Leave us to deal with him.
My boys, elders, let's be calm. Asiri oke chara agwo. Na agwo no ka de ebi n'uji, mana oke kworo. My children, calm down. You will deal with Onyema, but we will have meeting with Frank the Don today. After our meeting, then we will signal you to squeeze Onyema. Handle him. Make him a vegetable toast.
Now you're talking.
Make him and turn him to butter. Because he's proving stubborn. Okay?
Yes, no. Yes.
So, but not until after our meeting with Frank the Don.
It's all right.
Oh no. You are prolonging this matter. Allow these boys to shake him a little.
Yes, so we need to shake him. Yes, so to shake him. Yes. Who is Onyema? Onyema must bring out that throne. Yes. Yes. He will receive the beating of his life. I'm serious, so I'm not joking.
Oh no. We have given him 1 month. Why not we allow that 1 month to pass?
Exactly what I'm saying.
Before
my elders, I greet you.
Zubi! Zubi, come. Zubi, you need to be here. Thank God you are right. You need to hear this. Come!
Is he not Zubi because the son of Ichiago? Is he not Ichiago's son? Are you not the one that your father said that we will not rest in this community? Are you not the one that the father is putting fire?
Oh, yeah.
Is he not the one?
Yes.
Oh no. But it's not like his father.
Oh no, I do not get it. What is happening here and why are you shouting at me?
Zubi, come and sit. Wait,
You
Zubi,
boys,
sit.
You boys should intimate him on what is on ground. Have you heard me? Ndoka, let's take our leave.
What is going on here? Zubi, it's all about Onyema. Onyema refused to bring out the throne.
Onyema and his problem.
Ocheze Kanazo. Ocheze Kanazo.
Ichiago, what do we do? 1 month is very close. Oh. How do we raise this money?
Exactly what I'm thinking. Going to community bank will be hard because we will be needing collateral.
Do you know anyone there in the bank?
I know Okudile, son of Okamaka. It will help, but the collateral is this issue.
Iche, don't worry. I will use this house for it.
Biko,
Mama,
please don't say that. Oh.
Mama, calm down. That is the only land I have. Yeah, I will use it for it.
what if you don't pay back? Have you thought of that?
You don't bother yourself. By then I must have been in the palace. So I'm not using it for anything.
So what about us?
Mama, all of us will be in the palace by then, except Ugochi.
Where then will she be?
Mama, I don't know. Wherever she wants, she can go to. I've made up my mind.
Onyema, it is not good for someone to sell his aniobi.
Oh.
It's your birthright. So think about it. Biko.
What? You mean this? Guy, we're telling you. Do you know that this guy, Onyema, went and took the throne and hid it? Guy, do you know how much Frank the Don gave to the elders a few days ago for them to share? 20 million naira. Just for 4 of them. For 20 million naira just for 4 of them. I heard that your father refused to take a share from it.
Hey, what did you just say?
You heard me clear.
He refused a share of 20 million naira, meaning he rejected his own share of 5 million. Why me and my brother are in the city doing nothing in our shops?
Guy, this will wake you up. Guy, we cannot continue like this now. We cannot continue like this. Do you know that Frank the Don also pleaded with that stupid Onyema to sell the throne to him for 500 million naira?
Half a billion.
And that idiot refused.
Half a billion, oh. Half a billion.
Half a billion.
This boy
500 million naira.
Go. See, I cannot continue to stay here and listen to these stories that is itching my ear. I am going to the house now to meet my father. He has to explain to me the meaning of all this rubbish. See, my younger brother is on the way, coming back as we speak.
Your younger brother?
Yes, Mike. So I will see you guys later in the evening. I'm at phone later.
What happened to you people? This one, you people are coming
I'm at phone later because...
Did you see your guy?
That's very good.
You see, Onyeka, we need to strike this guy.
I don't think you can wait, too, because my boss left it this morning.
No, they.
No. Yes.
I will wait. I will wait.
I go wait. No, I go wait. Adeya, go your quarters now. No worry, I dey wait. It go take time.
I seek to show you how I feel. My song will give you memory.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Yes. Where's Jonathan?
Sir, he has left, but he promised to come back. He asked me to give this to you, sir.
Done.
What are you still waiting here for?
Okay, sir.
Get out! Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. I would say we are doing well, okay? We have hit the first blow and it's hitting hard. We're doing well.
I tell you. I told you I could do. I tell you now. You know what? Leave the rest to me. Leave it in my hands. Trust me. I tell you now.
Okay, very well. How did you come here? Obviously I know. Alright, one thing you should know is I don't associate myself with failures.
Who don't know you?
All right?
We don't know you now.
Yes,
we know you.
So, I want to give you this warning. This should be the last time you will come here with this. Never you come here with this or go anywhere with these.
No verse.
All right?
No
Not
verse.
at the mention of my name.
No verse.
Okay?
No verse.
Now, you can turn around and have this. Yoga.
Hey! Not lie! Not lie! Not lie! Who that be? Who that be? Who that be? Hey! Am I what up with this? Where they? Who that be? Who that be? Their papa! Their papa!
When you're done,
when
your excitement.
Hey! When those girls when I smell like stockfish, if I pass, they're not gonna see me. This time I go there, pack up in the work and I go there more, they breathe. Then they perceive me from a ball. Then they mad. I don't arrive now. Oh man, don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Now me be this. Let me get this car. They gonna see me. They gonna stand alright. Hey, their father. Their papa. Their papa. You know say the car die here now. Akuda.
Papa, what is it? Papa Ogini, listen, my younger brother is coming back as well. You have to key into what other elders are doing to get money to give your sons.
I wonder. I don't understand why Papa is like this.
Azubike. Azubike. I will not do it. I will not. Oh, you want me to soil my hands? Okuya? Omame?
Papa, if you do not want to soil your hands, let me soil mine. Give me the order to join the elders to get your own share. Papa, if all of you get 5 million naira each, do you know what that money will do in the life of your sons that are suffering? No, do you know what that money will do in our lives?
Papa, Frank is the Messiah we have. You better join the others. Brother, do you know that Izuchukwu came back and gave me 200,000 naira? Papa here asked me to return it.
What?
You heard me.
Papa, why have you decided to strip us naked of all the good things that is coming our way just because you want to be a good man? Ginika, keep that money. You know go?
Why? She must return that money. She must return that money. Oh, that boy steal his oga money to come and give you here, and you are here dancing. Tomorrow, if they arrest him, they will equally arrest you, my daughter, as well.
Papa, it does not concern you, Obasarogi. What of all the good things your daughter has been doing for him?
Then if you know the good thing, go and collect the money.
Ginika, I am ordering you to keep that money. If you do not know what to do with it, give it to me. Let me keep for you. Whenever you need it, I will give it to you.
Oh, I'll do just that.
Meaning she should not mind me, okay?
Yes. Papa, she should not mind you because you do not know what to do with money. Ginika na kodifa. And I will give it to you hot in this house. There will not be peace until you accept that Frank is the new Messiah of this community. You have to join the elders and do what they are doing.
I've conspiracy about
Papa, you know me. Does your own forbid money? Can
you imagine? I should return the 200,000.
Where did you keep the money?
Where did I keep the money? Oh, you too like money. Please leave me alone.
Papa, we gave it to you hot in this house, so you better go and join the elders and do what they are doing. We need money. What kind of thing is this?
My money. Hey!
Must your own be different?
My love. My love. My love. Awele. Awe. Awe. Awele. Where are they? What's going on? I hope Mama is all right. Awe. My phone is down. What am I going to do now? I don't even know how to call anybody now. My phone is down. Hey.
Hey, Oni.
Huh. How are you?
Oni. How are you?
Where are you coming from? Where is Mama?
I'm just coming back from the hospital. Mama is very ill. Today, Mama almost died. I'm telling you. Very simple. Just little thing.
How is she now?
She's fine. She's getting better.
So which hospital?
She's at Maduko Menka Hospital also.
Madugini?
Why are you shouting?
Maduko Menka? Get an Ozobolo.
Hi,
where most people take her there now? That place is expensive.
What kind of rubbish talk are you saying? Do you want my mother to die?
No, not that I want her, but they go.
Biko, we'll talk about this later. I just came back home to come and collect something. When I come back, we'll talk about it. Let me pick water.
Ozobolo. Okada, can you take 2 people to Ozobolo hospital?
No, that's what go on me. You know they carry too.
You know I can win now.
No, I they carry too.
I feel give you something maybe carry.
No, that's what go on me.
Don't worry, I'll see you when I come back, okay? We'll talk about it. You need to see where they kept my mother, giving her full attention. My mother is in a private ward. All the nurses are answering to her.
Private ward? How can you go to
Where do you want them to take her to a native doctor?
How did you get the money to do all that? How come?
Only I think we'll see when I come back.
Not even a hug. Not even a hug.
Una, let's go.
Baby, not a hug.
I will see you when I come. Go on your phone.
Private ward. Hospital on Zobolo. That's too expensive now. How did she get the money to do all this? Auntie? Okay, don't worry, I'll be back.
Talk. What is what?
Where did you get this car from?
What's in?
Who owns this car?
Male. When I tell you, sir, go make car. This are the Jones, Sabi. I tell you, sir, go make car. And this now, I don't make car. Now my mom be this now. Huh? I said now my mom.
How come?
Guy. Any come na come. So I say come there inside. Any come na come. When I just there, the reason why I take royal family for me. And wow, I don't become princess Tete. You feel me?
Ugochi. Let this not be what I'm thinking.
Hey.
Yabukwani femne.
Man, how want tell you the thing now?
Yabukwana ya o.
No, ma. How want tell you the reason? Huh? Because as I did here so, my frequency, I don't feel rich. I they operate on high frequency. Come feel am na. Feel my plate number na. You feel am? APP 1970. I don't put on plate number. Mama, I like this so I won't go arrange bottles. Male, let me show you.
Mama. Mama, did you see that? Ugochi has a car.
Akuchi, are you sure that Ugochi has not collected that money from Frank?
Hey! No, Mama. Mba. Don't say that, Mama. It should not be. Because if that is the case, we are doomed. Yes, so.
It's a lie.
Huh?
I am not doomed. She is dooming the doom. She is the one that is doomed. Not Odibeze.
Hey.
Oboromu, I'm not doomed. I'm not dooming. I cannot doom. Nothing like doom for me. She's the one collecting all of them.
Mama, I don't have a good feeling about this.
Who them be? What them? Their papa. I don't arrive now.
Excuse me. Who is the owner of the car that you've been parading? Because you better don't spoil somebody's car.
Chai. This guy is me play. This guy is me the Jew.
I ask you, who owns this car that you've been driving parading all over the village?
I said na me get am. Na my car be my mob. Feel am. Na my mob be this guy. Na my mob be this. What a day.
Your car.
Before.
You.
Before who can the drive now? Now me get am.
When you spoil somebody's car, they will come and start giving us headache at home.
Hey, I don't suffer now. Wait, see, look down at me, oh. See, I tell you, as you thought say you no one collect your destiny. I say no, nah, no fit. After the door and the man for the door. I say no, nah. Yeah, reason, collect it be your own. I move sharply. Sharply I move. Yeah, I forget. I don't start to be anything, no, but not be thief I be. I know the thief. Now me get this car. Now me get am. You want to become king before I go enjoy? Are they mad?
Okay, shall see.
Are they crazy? See, I tell you now. You know, CB, Igwe with the leg of this Benz. Leg of this Benz, Igwe. You see, leg of this, the leg of the go. Guy, leg of the go. Leg of this Benz.
Okay, we shall see.
We don't see her finish, oh.
We shall see.
And I need to go see Mama. Mama need to understand, say she need to shift, make I breathe, it choke. It choke!
He choke. By the time it to choke you, you pay for somebody's car. Go and spoil it.
Now me get her.
It will soon choke you.
Guy, nothing they choke anybody because you don't choke already.
Okay.
You don't choke. You don't choke. You feel that?
Don't worry. I'll be waiting for you at home. When you come and explain to me how you got this car. I'm waiting for you at home.
Yes. I'm telling you. I mean, we're in control. We are in control. And I am on cruise control, I tell you. Yes. You see, Awele right now as we speak, alright, is currently basking in the euphoria of being a future queen. I tell you. I mean, she is really, really, really my unit in my circuit. Matter of fact, only today she has given me nothing less than 10 phone calls. Of course, she's so happy. She's elated. You know, she sees herself somewhere. I'm telling you, somewhere good. We're in control. I like that.
Your Majesty, yes. I told you that this method of find X will work.
Yes. Find X. I like that.
This will surely break Onyema down.
Yes.
Because I know how much he lost that girl.
This is what we want.
Oh, yes.
When he breaks down, we will attack him big time.
Yes. Yeah, of course. I mean, it's beneath my feet. Now, speaking of Onyema, his sister has promised me, okay, to watch the brother. Every single move he makes, okay? Every single move with regards to the throne. And she told me personally, she will find that throne herself for me.
Okay, Agboola.
Yes.
Okay, Agboola.
What? You mean she is on your side?
Of course she's on my side. What do you mean? She's on my side. I own that girl now. Yes, I know what I'm saying. Okay, now let me shock you again. You see, if I tell that girl to run, she will tell me how fast. If I tell her to jump, she will tell me how high. If I tell her to go low, she will tell me how low in the mud. Now, if I tell that girl to kill her brother, she will do it for me. Yes, I say so. I say so authoritatively. Why? Are you ready? Are you ready? Today, she got a car gift from me.
What?
Yes, she got a car from me, so she is loyal. When I say she's loyal, she's loyal.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
Bonia, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Bonia, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Relax. Very soon he will call those people to bring him to Santa Claus.
Oh yes. Yes.
What? Where did she get money to take our mother to that place? That hospital is very expensive, oh. Everyone knows, oh.
Very, very.
Eh?
Well, I don't know. I don't know how she got to do that. And she said her mother is in the private ward.
Eh? What? Mama, that means she must have hit the jackpot we are not aware of. Hey!
Mama. Anyway, she says she will tell me when she comes back.
Okay.
Hey, Mama. Where did your daughter get the car from?
Oh, Joam, as you ask me now, that's how I am asking. She said she has taken her destiny by force. That if we like, we should stay here and wait for royalty.
Mama, I later find out that that girl that came looking for her yesterday is working for Frank.
You see?
It's a lie. It can be.
It is true, Mama. It is very true because I know Ugochi. She must have allied with Frank to take the throne away from brother. Her own brother. Blood brother.
Mama, if I see that girl here, if I see Ugochi in this house, I will set that car ablaze.
Mom, you don't have to set the car ablaze. Leave Ugochi. Just let her be. I will be the one to handle her. I will lay a curse on her that will turn her life upside down. I will make sure of that. Don't worry.
Ha!
Papa, we don't like this. We, your children, will protest. You cannot choose to make us poor when you have every opportunity to make us rich. Eh?
Tell him. No, tell him because I have been shouting all day. Papa, you need to get up and go meet ONUORAH and apologize to him to accept you back.
I will not do that. Azubike, I will not do it. Oh, you all conspired to come and tell me this nonsense, Okuya. I won't.
Papa, then there will be no peace in this house.
They go do what
There will be no peace in this house.
Oh, so you all want to beat me now? Okuya?
If not that, your father would have beaten you very well. Eh? Because you don't even know what we're going through in the city. Business is not going well because of lack of money. Eh?
All our land I sold and gave you boys the money to do business. What did you all do with it?
Papa, how much did you sell those lands?
Ask
Papa, what is the worth of those lands? All these lands put together is not even close to 5 million. And you are seeing free money and you are rejecting it. And you think there will be peace in this house. Papa, you know me. I will give it to you hot until you decide to go and join Onowo's gang. Nobody fan.
Papa, what happened to share I get senior again?
Yes, so we'll beat you.
Supported.
Why are you all doing this? Why? I am preventing the cause that will come from their evil plan. And you are here pushing me to it.
Papa, let the cause come to us. Yes, let the cause come to our head. Go there and carry the money. God gave the money. Eh?
The way I'm seeing you, it shows that you are already caused from the city. So it's not your fault.
Papa, Papa, go and get dressed and start going to Onowo's house.
Papa, come and start going to Onowo's house.
Yes.
Do you want to go with your cap? I should bring it for you. Can't get you. But you need to start going to Onowo's house now.
Is it by force?
Papa, come and start going.
Come out.
There's no time. Time, how do you see?
You want the cap? I want to go like
This
this.
house is not going to contain all of us. What kind of...
Go and take the money now. I don't know.
Papa, if not that you're a titled man, I would have lifted you off the ground though. I know I'm leaving you. Go and take your cap
Hey, let her come back and meet me in this house. I'm okay with you. Nobody's going to rest till she takes back that car from where she got it from. Nobody's going to rest. That girl is becoming stupid and silly. Okay, man. She doesn't have respect. Okay,
take it easy with her.
Mama, don't even preach to me. Please, don't even go there. Don't preach to me at all. I don't need it. I need that preaching. Biko. She said. Hey, do fast. And come down. I'm waiting for you. Pack that and come down. Be fast. If you know where you got this car from, just take it back now before I start destroying it.
That's the way you just touch this car.
If you know where you got this car from, just take it back before I start destroying it.
Touch this car.
If you know where you
touch me for body, not try am. Not like my car like that.
Mama,
touch you for body.
Talk to this girl because I'll start to destroy this car now.
Brother,
Mama, I'll start to destroy the car now. I'll destroy it now. Tell her to take it back from where she got it from. Else I'll set this car ablaze now.
What be your problem?
Okay, you soon know my problem now.
You know like progress? Ma ask you know like progress? Okay. Or how you know if you bring progress come this house? I go carry progress come back.
Okay.
You still don't like her. What did they walk you, Seth? What did they walk you?
Want this girl home?
Biko.
Ask her to take this car back now.
Ugochi.
Before I set it ablaze now.
Take it back immediately now.
Ugochi. Onyema.
Ugochi.
Destroy the car. Onyema. I said scatter the car.
Ugochi, if you know where you got this car,
take it back.
Try and see if I'm not going to tell you for that.
Where?
Now me go tell you.
Brother, sister, take it back now.
Scatter am. I said scatter am.
Scatter him before he comes.
What they owe you?
Ask her to take it back now. The fight destroy it now. I will pieces this car now. Ask her to take it back now.
Who got to take the car back? Where you dey buga? Forget this way they do like say you fit.
This is the plan.
Yeah, you know say you know fit try am.
Maybe this is one of her plans.
Guy, nobody they hold you. Who they hold you?
She want to set you up. I don't understand her anymore.
I want her to do her worst this night.
Guy, forget. I know say you strong past 2 of them. If you want to free yourself from this thing, you free yourself from him. Free yourself, destroy him, scatter him.
He can free it.
Mama, who told me to tell you now?
This is too much.
Let me tell you and say if you free yourself.
Mama, come
on.
I want to break this car.
If you do this
thing, know what she will do.
Listen to her. This girl is a devil, no? Ugochi has talked to a devil.
Ha! Ugochi, take this car back now. I can't destroy him. I just said them burn you well. No, I just said them burn you well. If you scatter my car, come try him.
Hey!
Come try him.
But you know a watch.
And I you know
a watch, woman. The Okwaya. But you know a watch. No,
brother, please. Brother,
please. Go back and return this car for where you got it from. Go back.
Brother, please, brother.
Mama, I will deal with this girl. I know what I'm keeping
quiet. Guy, no, provoke me.
I know what I'm keeping quiet, Mama.
No try him. Onyema. Hey. Onyema.
Mama, this girl is daring me.
Onyema.
She's daring me.
Onyema.
Mama, she's daring me.
Clear from that place, I bet. Alright. Ugochi, don't get me. Oh, this guy is provoking me. Brother, please.
Do your worst. Let me see.
Guy.
Do your worst.
Guy.
You're taking too much.
Onyema.
When it ends this night. It ends this night.
Guy, shift.
Come on. Mama.
So, Onowu, that is why we came. Biko, I am begging you, forgive him and accept him back. You know how much he needs this money. And please help us talk to other elders to please accept him back too.
No, Biko, you really need to help us, please. Look at us now. How can our father have an opportunity that can enrich us and he decide to look elsewhere because he wants to be a good man? Who has been good helped in this community? Please help us, help us.
I am enthused. I've always said it that you are more intelligent than your father.
Yes, sir. Yes.
There is nothing we did not do to rope him in, but he refused. He blatantly refused.
Like I told you earlier on, we are his sons. And very soon he will join his ancestors. We all know nobody is designed to last forever or to live forever. That's right. We are the ones that will suffer it when he's no longer here. So Biko, even if you people have shared the money, please help us talk to other elders to please bring back his own share.
Yes.
Yes. You are the Onowu, Biko.
Well, the money is not shared yet.
Hi! Thank you, Onowu. Thank you. Thank you. No, you will live long. Yes, sir.
Well, like I said before, your father and I has been friends since the time of Ubokoko.
I know.
You understand? So that relationship is still carrying us together. That is why my son is interested in your sister. I have already lost. I will try as much as possible to come and see your father, so that he will join us. It is my duty to do that. For the sake of you people and for the relationship of my son and your sister, I will try my best.
Thank you very much. Last night, we gave it to him hot.
Yes, so very hot too.
And by the time we get home now, we will shower him with more troubles.
Hot too.
More troubles. So he cannot have rest until he accepts to join you, Biko.
For this reason, I will make sure that you and my son will be in the first list of everything good that will come from Frank the Don.
Hey! Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! You're a good man. Number one.
That I place you people on salary.
Hey!
Thank you.
50,000 at the end of the month, or 55,000.
In fact, I am relocating from the city.
What are we doing in the city? What are we doing in the city? We are coming back.
When I told you Onowu is the wisest man in this village, you thought I was joking.
I even
I
told
should
you
give you the credit. You are more intelligent than your father.
Oh no!
But soon you will understand why to join Frank the Don is more better than to join anything you think.
No, it's Frank the Don or nobody. Frank the Don or nobody.
It's definitely like this. When they want to Santa Claus with the salary that will be given every month. What is more better than that?
Nothing. Thank you. Please, I'm waiting.
No, don't forget it. I am the no. Just calm down.
Sit down.
Yes.
Hey, Oga Frank.
Yes.
Thank you. God bless you.
It's okay. It's all right.
God will continue to bless you. He will fill up your pockets. That car that you brought yesterday, you will buy a bigger one. In fact, you will buy a aeroplane.
Excuse me, what is going on here? KNMEBA? KNMEZI?
Oga Frank, thank you very much. Oh, thank you. God will bless you.
Mama, it's a good thing you're smiling right now. I mean, why are we here if not to help you? Yes, and in due time, please say bye to your neighbors because I'll definitely build you a new house when I'm king. Yes.
Oga Frank,
King for where? When Abu King, who is going to be the king in your wildest dream? Yeah? Who the hell are you? Anyway, meanwhile, I'm asking, what is going on here? What do you mean? What is going on?
What do you mean, what is going on here? Can't you see? Can't you see that my mother is hale and hearty? Looking vibrant, young and beautiful. Are you not happy?
I wonder.
Do you want her to die? You should be saying thank you to him.
I wonder. Oga Frank, thank you for everything. In fact, let's not waste your time, Just go. Later we'll come to your mansion specially and thank you.
Not to worry, Mama. I'll be expecting you to some Frank the Don hospitality magic, Okay.
Hey,
right.
Oga Frank.
What is this? Separate, Amante. What kind of fog is that?
Nema, what is wrong with you? What has come over you?
What did you just do?
What did you do?
Did you also just touch me?
Let this show stop. Don't touch me.
You know, it is very unfortunate that English is a borrowed language, so I know you don't know what you said. What is separate Lamante?
I'm not French.
You keep quiet.
He got school. He's not French. Anyways. You think he's having all these things?
My friend, keep quiet. Listen, that you're a lunatic is understandable, but to combine it with mouth odor is highly unacceptable, okay? Listen, I can take care of that your mouth odor as part of my charity too. My dear, it's very unfortunate you suffered this for so many years. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry
all right?
for myself.
I'll be expecting you, okay? All right.
See. Nobody should get me angry here. You will wear me a bad now, yeah? You use all mother video shaker. Don't just try me.
You know what? You're lucky. Mama is here, so I'll give her respect. Mama, if not for you, you will sleep in an underground cell tonight. You understand me? It's okay, my dear. I'll see you later. All right?
Okay, sir.
All right. God bless you. God bless you. Hey, God bless you, Frank.
Cross with you.
Nagini,
cross this.
I will cross this.
Cross it.
What is it?
Where do you think you're going to?
Darling, are you okay?
Yes, sir. We are okay.
Are you okay?
We are fine.
Can he sleep in the prison today?
No. We are fine.
Sleep in the ground cell today?
My friend, take this away from here.
We are fine.
You're sure?
We are fine. It's fine. We are fine.
That time in the prison, put me in the prison, let me see. I know I'm not darling. What
is it?
Darling, you're not a chance.
Now, Colin. What is wrong with you?
Are you okay? When I was okay,
Yeah. What is wrong? Onyema, explain. She does not work in NTA. You see, I may explain.
This is how you people are.
Go and rest.
Eh?
Okay.
Sister, they don't use cutlery to eat indomie. Yes. You like to form and mimic people because you're seeing them living big life. You don't even know how to do it. Who eats indomie with cutlery?
I go wound you. I go wound you.
Papa.
Why are you doing this? Eh? Why are you like this? You are not the that I gave birth to. This is not you. How can you be here eating this kind of food? Why I and your sister are here going hungry? Didn't you notice that we are hungry?
Yeah. Mama, if you like, make your rich Jericho. You no consign me. If hunger like, may bend on her neck. You no consign me. I don't first talk and say I don't collect my lane. And my lane be this. I beg. Don't disturb me.
But sister, is this the best for our family?
Hi. Wahala. Akuchi. I beg, I want to ask you now. Now everybody when get money be royalty. I want to know. I just want to know. Now everybody when no get money be royalty. Prisoner. Now everybody. I beg, free me, oh. Man, free me. What's it safe?
Will that make you form alliance with our enemy? Do you know you have sold us out? In a guy talk about penny.
How? Based on how now, mama? How front they be not enemy? Guy man say won't be king. I look the bros. Check him. This guy, he go fit am. See his skin now. Look his skin. His skin now he go. What you on name get? Nothing gum in body. Hunger won't wound them. As a life be so. I just come see my reason with tunas. My people wanna be. Afana, collect this money, move. When I say I want move. Or how you collect this money? We don't go city. Come on, we still build mansion for there. Come villa, drop one. Everywhere was just the soft, the stew. I don't like it. Waiting. Oh yeah, reason your late Sigwe. Thank God say that man don't die. Thank God say he don't die because he no get anything what they do for us. Look in lol. He get bicycle. He get anything to himself. Their place be like where they don't run. Also 440. Everywhere just dry. Blessed grass won't grow. Even forest itself won't grow for there. Now what you now want? I won't know. No, what you now want? Eh? I don't know for myself, oh. Look my car. My bed. See Anna. Everything just white. White tenure. It's even my motto. Courtesy of my smartness. I say courtesy of my smartness. I smart like my papa. Eh? When I reason fast or reason quick. Because all how this thing they plan for you my work. Now jail straight. They will jail in 1 second. That time I'm gonna go lose the money, lose the kingship. No talk, sir, no talk. Oh. I beg, I want chop. Man, I just try to stop me for yeah. I don't want verse, so my verse not good. Mama, you know now. You bomb me. You know if I verse, eh? I beg.
Mama, I hope I'm not being biased by you and brother. Oh. I'm starting to see some sense in what sister is saying.
No see sense. No see any sense for Amo. Until hunger bend your neck. Turn your eye. Your eye go turn you. By that time, I just dey London. I dey London. I'll buy you one small phone like all the 33 and give you. I'm gonna call you with time. If I call you, guy, I dey London, they fresh anyhow. They there.
You are seeing sense in what she's saying because she's eating indomie and fried egg. Drinking small start aboni agwenu apotu.
No one time.
Okay, guys, sit down. Forget about your sister. She can brag. That's all. Forget about her. Let me tell you, by the time your brother become king, you will eat more than this. Yeah, who cannot get it? This is nothing. I just want you and go. That's all.
Nah, mama. As I look you soon, I make my drink the pop. Wait, you're young.
Why didn't you call me again?
But the way you are going about it is wrong.
How? Why are you doing this to me? What is wrong with you? Eh? You said you're going to call me. Till this time you've not called me. What is wrong?
Is that why you are sounding like this?
You've changed.
Changed about what? No, Nyema, let me ask you, what is the change? That a gentleman decided to help my mother to get better. Is that what you call change? Are you not happy? Onyema, I'm asking you, are you not happy? The way you're going about this thing is wrong. Oh. Even my mother, she's beginning to feel really, really bad. She's feeling like you wanted her to die. No. Why are you not happy?
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean? What do I mean by that? The way my mother thinks about it now, she's looking at it like you don't even want her to